Hello again, YouTubers, and welcome to another episode of The Fishing Dutchman. I just have a few hours to fish today. It's Sunday, it's about 4:30. I got a high tide coming in about 1 hour. Wind's about 7 miles an hour. All I got is some artificials today. Just trying to get a few fish right before I get ready for a work day tomorrow. So let's make it happen. Just got a small hit a second ago. See if anything takes it. Maybe a small flounder. Or maybe nothing. Ooh, something just bit off his tail. Oh. My guess, bluefish, flounder. Come on. Jesus. Oh no, what the dang it. Alright, so I got 2 hits by that bridge over there, but I think my lure was too big. I had a 5-inch jerk bait, so I switched to the 3-inch shrimp, and let's see if we can catch some fish. I think they were small flounder. Finally, what do we have here? Flounder. Shoot. It's catching. Oh, hey. He's a flapper. That's what we're out here for. Beautiful little summer flounder. So that ends today's creek run. Somewhat successful, caught 1 flounder. Lost a couple of those larger baits. I think those were flounder too, because they were biting off the tail and they couldn't quite eat the lure. So I think there's just a bunch of small flounder in the area. This creek though, it's called Mount Pleasant Creek. Sometimes they name creeks and I don't know why. This one sort of makes sense. I mean, it is pleasant sometimes. And there's this huge landfill that they covered with grass and it looks like a mountain. So Mount St. Pleasant, good creek. The only problem is there's no public access to this creek, so you got to know somebody or make a long journey to get here. All right, catch you later.